Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. Outside the car there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the 8-inch touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 4,000 miles and is packed full of some great tech. You also get lane positioning assistance, blind spot detection, there's speed limit recognition, and the car can even call emergency services in the event of an accident. But if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.